Hello and welcome. I'm back again with the magic pour I showed in my last video. This time I want to see how it does with pigment, and I'm going to try this Pigment pigment. It's a pigment that they use for a plaster-like or Jasmonite-like product. It's not advertised as a resin pigment, so I am going to try that. I'm going to try the red because I'm going to use another small mold, not much larger than my hand, but this comes out to look like a heart, infinity sign heart. So I want to do that with the red. And if you want to know how to mix the magic pour, you can refer to my previous video. I'm just going to go ahead and mix up the same amount that I did in that video, which was 160 grams of powder and 54 grams of water. So I will do that and be right back. Okay, I have finished mixing up the product, and now I'm going to add some of the red pigment. And I'm going to start off with 4 drops and see what that does. I realize I'm mixing this into a white, so it's probably going to come out more pink than red. Alright, I think I'm going to go with like 10 drops. I went with 11, so I know I'm now at 15. Alright, I'm going to go for 10 more. I'm at 25. And 10 more. I'm at 35. Alright, I'm going to add 15 more, and then I'm going to stop no matter what color it comes out as, for a total of 50. Alright, so this has 50 drops of the pigment. Still isn't red, but that's fine. I am going to put this on my vibration plate this time to see if that helps. I'm going to turn that on, and I'm going to just pour it. And you can now see why I was so hesitant the first time to put that on. What I should have done is just done it halfway full. Lesson learned. Alright, one thing I am noting is these drops, they're coagulating pretty quickly. As we know, we don't know the working time of this yet, but based on this, it's not much. And even what's left in here is already thick. I'm going to just make an estimated guess that your working time is under 5 minutes based on that. I will let this sit for a half hour per the instructions, and I will come back to demold, see if it's ready. Okay, it's been about 40 minutes since I finished pouring this, so I'm going to go ahead and demold. here's the front. Okay. The color, this could totally be my fault, not the product. Didn't integrate very well. I might not have mixed it enough, but putting it on the vibration plate definitely helped, in contrast to the last one I did that had a couple of little bubble gaps. This doesn't have any of those. I think I'll try mica next and see how well that might work, but it still turned out nice. I kind of like the effect that it has. It's different. It's very interesting. But I will try the mica and see if that actually fully integrates, since it was one of the items on the instructions that it said you could use. So another video coming sometime soon, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.